Hello everyone, welcome. Today in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 5th, 2022. We have here 7 puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and 1 binary. Those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. And the first puzzle I will do is the Sudoku with 3 stars. Then I will do the 4 stars, the binary, and then the tectonic with 4 stars. First one, 3 stars with number 4802. 4802. Before I start, I always count the printed digits wrong. This one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. We have here 4 twos. We have here 2 threes, 2 fours, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, and wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nines. So the nines, the ones, and the twos are a majority. Let me start with the nines first. 9, 9, 9. Okay, 9, 9. Yeah, 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place left for 9 should be there. Okay. Well, I cannot continue with the 9. Well, not true, not true. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the last row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 9, okay. How about the 1s and the 2s? Let me see. The 2. How about the 2 in the last row? The 2 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2 and a 1. We have a 1 and a 2 in this big square. So no 1 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in the first column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Okay. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here, 2 in this that column, so no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 2. Let me see. 1, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 in this box. Here, 1 in the first column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. Well, we see a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the last row, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the first column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. Now I have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. Now we have 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. Wait. The 2 I cannot continue, so let me look for another digit. How about these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. So the 3, the 5, and the 8. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. Let me mark those 3, 5, 8. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? 3, 5, 8. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Let me mark those. 4 and the 7. Okay. Then 1, 9, 6, 2. 6, 2 should be here also. Let me see. How about 4, 4, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there in this big square. Here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. 4, 4, okay. Then 3, 3, 3, 3. Alright. 6, 6. 6, 4. 6, 4, 5. 5, 5. Come on. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Now I can continue with the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 6, 6. Alright. The 4 then. 4, 4, 4. Alright. 4, 4. 5, 5. 7, 7, 7. How about 8? 8, 8, 8. 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. 3 and 8. No, 3 and 6. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers in this column are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So now we have two missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. Two boxes. 6, 8, 5, 6, 6, 8, 5. Interesting. 8, 8. 6, 6, 6, 6. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these two boxes here. 6 in this column, so no 6 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 6. Should be there in this big square. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the second column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then, now I cannot continue with the 6. Will be some difficulties, yes. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 7. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4, 4. One box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5, 5. Okay, two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 7 and a 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So the 4, 4, 4. The 5, 5, 5. 4, 4. And the 8. 8 is missing here. Alright. We have a 3 in this column. First column, 3 in one of those two boxes. In the second column, so the third column, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. Two missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column with 3 in the second column, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Alright. Okay, two numbers left in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 it goes there. Alright. Then. One box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Wait, one box left in this row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Nope, we have a 3 there. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Let me mark those. Alright. Then. Let me see. 6, 7, 3. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, and look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this column, so no 6 and the 7 in this box. The 6 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. That means one box left in the third row for number 3. I cannot fill those 6 and the 7s here, need to wait. But we have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 5. Alright, 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there, 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. Then 7 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, the 7 goes there. Then, now we have 6 and a 5, now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be 5, and this box should be 6. One box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the second row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and an 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in the third row, so no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.